All right, it's Wednesday, October 25th, just following up on the SPY. It's midday. You can see the SPY, after making its initial push down, it had a bit of a retracement kind of to the halfway point of the first bar, and then it made its second push down to take out the intraday lows. I exited my puts. I bought those 424 puts at 403. I discussed in earlier videos. I scaled out at 5 and 550, and then I just exited the rest of the trade here at the new lows at 572. So, it still has a target lower. If we look at it here, down towards the weekly low here, but we also have support here at kind of the midpoint of that buying tail that you kind of saw a big snapback there, when it gapped down the other day. So it's obviously finding some support in here, but that doesn't mean, anything really in terms of more. It just might be a pause. It's certainly not a place to buy it. But you did have your two pushes down in the morning, so there's your morning trade. If you missed this initial trade here and it went back up kind of into this fair value gap, you could have used shorter term time frames to do a secondary sell for a trade that lasted 45 minutes to take out the lows. And quite frankly, if it just pauses in here and can't really rally too much, I think we'll probably make another push down and likely head towards that target until proven otherwise. But you don't know for sure. And there's your two pushes on the day. Let's see, if we look at the 5-minute chart on this retracement, up into this gap in here, there was, kind of a shooter bar on the 5-minute that could have been, and then once it held and came down, it could have been a secondary trade here to take out the lows of the day if you wanted to kind of look at it that way. Either way, we're biased to the downside overall. There was aggressive buy out of the gates that I described in an early video. There's a secondary trade, two pushes down. I sense this is just pausing here, which is a logical pause area at the next target, the intraday lows, and we're going to make continue even lower. So, until proven otherwise, that's what I'm expecting. But, again, you never know. If you get a big green bar out of this, then maybe we'll start reversing, and that's all you're going to get out of this. But, in terms of a 2-down day, target down here, you patiently get the two pushes down, and now you just have to see, since you've taken out the low of the day, what really unfolds here going forward. But if we can't rally strongly, then I think this whole support area and all the people who bought here and all the people who are buying down here, they're going to have to be trapped, and you can get a big push down even further. But let's just kind of, that's what I'm judging. But, I'll just have to see price action if it unfolds. Again, we have that target down here ultimately by the end of the day, and this is just midday right now. So good trade on the SPY out of the gates, and we will see how things unfold in the afternoon.